G'day guys, it's Aleks and
Reuben!
From Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au, bringing you some Germania fractional gold.
We've got their iconic black boxes on the table here, Aleks, and yeah, some exciting fractional gold from them. And very, very fractional, the likes of which we've only really had a couple through before. The most recent ones that come to mind are the Scottsdale horses, but we're looking at some 1/100ths.
Nice. I guess that's why I'm here instead of Michael, doing being the fractional lover that I am.
You do enjoy some fractional gold and, well, just fractional precious metals in general, I'd say. But
absolutely,
yeah, that is a story that will stick with us for a while. Aleks, is before you worked here, you came through. You were helping someone else get into precious metals, and I was kind of explaining, hey, you know, maybe I had some small grain size bars, and you were like, oh, maybe don't bother with these ones. I was just kind of explaining why they might not be a good idea, and you're like, well, actually, you know.
That? I will take some. I've still got that 5 grainer, by the way.
That's it. And there is absolutely a use case for some smaller fractional stuff. And
right. as I call it, Mad Max money, and this is some beautiful Mad Max money right here.
Yeah, that's it. Some Norse Mad Max. That's a bit of a it was a lesser known sequel.
All right. So I like the look of it already. And, oh, that's beautiful, Reuben. That is friggin' beautiful.
Oh, very nice. So, in a bit of a minted bar packaging, they're calling it Safe Pack, as opposed to the typical minted packaging we might be used to, but kind of similar to what we saw with the Bull and Bear bars they did recently. They've really got a cool kind of texture, holographic patterning going on.
The very popular and very well received Bull and Bear.
Yes.
Now this one, look, puns aside, I absolutely love the tone of that red.
Yes.
The glimmering red with the gold design on the side.
Let's pop it out of the sleeve there if we can, just to cut down on some of those reflections. But it is cool that they give it a little sleeve just to protect it.
You know what? It's even better. Look at that.
Now this is actually in a proof finish as well, this one. So sadly with that here in Australia, it will incur GST.
Now that is the Frigg.
The wife of Odin.
That's right. And now for Odin himself. All right.
Kind of like this this thing they've got going on. Ooh. That's it. We've had the bull and the bear, and now we've got the husband and wife of some Norse mythology. So we're kind of getting the two pair variants of some of these things.
The yin and yang of the North.
That's it.
All right, let's get this out. You know what? It's quite different, and yeah.
Same but different.
Same but different. But very very striking once again. It's got look at that. What is that, like greyish, silvery, bluish hues?
Yeah, I'm feeling bad we're focusing on the packaging instead of the actual gold bar itself, but I'm kind of doing the same. But I think I'll rely on some of the close-ups for the gold bar itself. Yeah. But very, very cool.
Well, no secret that I love packaging, sometimes as much as the actual bullion. But look, the bar is very, very cool. I mean, obviously that proof really comes out. Looks stunning. But I am a huge fan of, especially this one. I think the red and the gold is always a winner for me. But that is, very striking as well. Do you know if this is in a series with more?
Editing Reuben jumping in to correct myself here because the answer I gave is completely wrong. These are a part of a series, the Gods of Germania series, consisting of 6 different pairs, so 12 total individual bars. Quite a few more to come yet. Anyway, back to it. Mintage of 5,000 for each of them. And yeah, 1/100th of an ounce of gold.
Very, very cool. But I think all of these fractionals are very, very cool. But these are certainly very striking. And I don't know about everyone else, and I know you meant, with security and everything, but at home I do like to have a little bit of a mini display at my workspace. And these are actually going to be very, very striking indeed.
Very cool. All right, links will be down in the description for these ones. They'll be up over on our website. And let us know what you think down in the comments below. Thank you very much, Aleks. We will see you in the next one.
Pleasure as always. See ya.